Welcome back to Culinary Museum. Today we are creating magic in the kitchen with a dish that's sure to delight. Prawn risotto paired with sous vide salmon. I'm Chef Mohamed Abdell and let's start. So let's get started. So first thing we put the prawn oil. It's made from the prawn head and olive oil. So the garlic with the citrus is just infused with the olive oil. Then shallot, thyme, fish stock, mix, risotto in. Then citrus butter in to finish the risotto. Now we can see the risotto getting creamy together. Chopped basil, salt, pepper, prawn oil, mix. Then you get creamy risotto. So now we start to put the risotto on a plate. Now we remove the ring for the risotto. Now the torched salmon in here, other half here. Keep the space between two are same. Then lemon cream foam. So now we explain the dish. We have the prawn risotto, and on the side we have the salmon. So it's confit and then torch it and finish it with lemon foam on both sides. Thanks for joining us in a culinary museum. If you love this recipe, just leave some comment below.